I can be what you want.
This is where we ate with Patrick, Emma, and you.
I know
Why'd they do that to the opera?
it hurts. Maybe we're just two souls.
Oh, unassuming. Kind of small outside. Mango.
I can find your heart. Maybe we're just two souls. Maybe we're just floating away.
Here's the lineup.
I can find your heart. I can be what you want. I can go where you wanna go. I know it hurts. Maybe we're just two souls.
It's the Christmas market before. Oh, they're setting up Olympics.
I can find your heart. Maybe we're just two souls. Maybe we're just floating away.
Finally got my hotel room. It's smaller than last time. Oh well. Ooh. And it says titanium member. Yay! Today is day 2. Shivering.
Il faut scanner le QR code. Le 8
Walking to Bordeaux. Got the website. Hysteria. Giverny. It's cute. Got a lot of souvenirs.
It's dangerous. Playing the game that they call love. Call love. And it's dangerous. 'Cause every heart I open up, slam shut. Do you care? Do you care where I end up?
Seriously, there's a lineup and you can't get in now.
I'll be on go. I don't need bags, I roll miles on miles till I can't see you. Oh, with all the shit you. Bags, I roll miles on miles till I can't see you. Didn't even need to see the signs. Hella cynical, could have shit up and all the time. Though you play me while you always on my mind. Go on and set me, break me open, yeah, that's what you do. Leave, don't call back.
Ow. Red Bordeaux. Got it. Bubbles or something. Forgot. Also gonna try these cookies. What is this? This is sesame caramel. Okay, they're good. Heading to Bordeaux today, last morning in Paris.
You never had that much to lose.
I regret not waiting for the elevator, and I took the stairs in the metro, and it was a lot of stairs.
To you, didn't matter at all. I'll be on road. I don't need bags, I roll miles on miles till I can't see you. Oh, with all the shit you do.
It's so cheap. It's like $5-6.
I couldn't hold you down. Not when I even tried. Oh, I don't need bags, I roll miles on miles.
Saw the same waiter from our restaurant last time. Not bad. Not the best. This was all €5. See Bordeaux, it looks like Tromsø, but the view is Mamede. Oh, Madeline's. Everything is soaking wet. It was raining even though both my weather apps said no. And then I had to walk in the rain and lift my luggage because of the cobblestones. Ow. The Madeline's. First day of Bordeaux. Let's go. Now it's sunny. The weather's bipolar. I had to lift my luggage because these were the cobblestones. Oh, looks like that might be my ride. It's like that. Looks like that. Sirloin steak had the crust of snow here, so let's try it. Caramel. And dessert, it was $23.50. Good price. Augie, 2 of Bordeaux. Let's go. Kind of chilly, but I know it's gonna warm up. Now the sun's in the right direction today. Mist. peach iced tea. My feet are killing me. Ow. Ay, ay, ay.
We put the mask on our faces and pretend to be fine.
I go to the Canale store now. I met this French couple and they thought I was Korean because they lived in Shanghai before, so they knew how to spot Korean versus Chinese. And they said Bordeaux changed a lot in 20 years. It's a lot cleaner, the buildings. It used to be like black.
Be better. I always reach for the best, but nothing.
I went to the Canard. I think it's like duck. That's fine. Probably it's in the lens. Trying the Canale. La Toquive. Only 55 cents. Oh, really chewy. Not bad. Bonjour. Last day in Bordeaux. Today we're doing the St. Emilion tour.
I can see for miles, nothing but a desert view. Watch the sun come up, morning light is bleeding through. Coffee with a cigarette, reading the news. Running from the city life, nothing to lose. And we can never stay still. But what if we just stay here right now, chasing what we can't feel? But what if we just keep what we found? It's hard enough to keep the love in our home that's burning down. So why don't we just stay still? Why don't we stay still now? Stay still now. Stay still now. Stay still blanket of the stars above.
Arrived back in Paris. They had my room available. They gave me a free drink for elite members. Gonna go shopping at Le Bon Marché for 2 to 3 hours, and then I am going to Le Marais. Roses are blooming everywhere. Apparently LVMH shopping mall.
If we just stay here right now, chasing what we can't feel. But what if we just keep what we found? It's hard enough to keep the love in our home that's burning down. So why don't we just stay still? Why don't we stay still?
Ooh, hotel gave me stuff. Excited to have you in our hotel for your stay. We would like to thank you for your loyalty as a titanium member. Make unforgettable memories in Paris. And they gave me juice, cookies. Unboxing time. I got hot all of a sudden. needs ice. Oh, it's been a week and the chestnut trees already bloomed. They're gone. They're gone. It's like the opera. Looks good. Oh, LVMH.